Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook bagged collard greens. Start by thoroughly rinsing your bagged collard greens under cold water to remove any dirt or debris. Next, inspect the leaves and remove any tough stems or discolored portions. Finally, chop the greens into manageable 1-inch to 2-inch pieces. This initial preparation is crucial for ensuring clean and tender greens ready for cooking. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or rendered bacon fat in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, sautéing until they become fragrant, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. For a rich, smoky flavor, consider adding a half cup of diced, smoked ham hock or turkey bacon at this stage. It's time to add our prepared collard greens to the pot. Pour in about 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, ensuring the greens are mostly submerged. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 1 to 2 hours until the greens are wonderfully tender. After simmering, taste your collard greens and adjust the seasonings if necessary. A little extra salt, pepper, or even a splash of apple cider vinegar can really brighten the flavors. The vinegar adds a lovely tang that complements the richness of the greens. Serve these delicious, tender collard greens hot as a hearty side dish with your favorite comfort food. Enjoy your perfectly cooked greens.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.